Hey, good day, Galesburg. This is Tom Hawkins. I'm the principal at the 712 campus, also known as Galesburg Junior Senior High School. And with me is...
I'm Sue Moore. I'm at the Galesburg Junior Senior High School now. Was at Lombard for a while and Churchill and made my final home here at Galesburg Junior Senior High.
Yes, and we're upstairs in Sue's classroom, and that's right, all of our 7th and 8th graders have been moved upstairs. So when you come to our open house this Friday, September 23rd from 4 to 6 p.m., please make sure you come upstairs as well and see all the classrooms that are up here that go along with our 7th and 8th grade classrooms. And downstairs, the whole thing will be wide open. We can't wait to see you. We got a lot of going on. It's homecoming weekend, as you know. And then right after, you can go on out and help watch the Streaks take on the Quincy Blue Devils. So once again, our community open house is this Friday, September 23rd from 4 to 6 out here at Galesburg Junior Senior High School.
Hope to see you there.
There you go.